Hi guys, today I'm making pull-up cakes. We need some butter, flour, whipped cream, of course, icing, sugar, food flavoring, and eggs. Get the butter and weigh it on a food scale. Then add some sugar. Now mix it. Crack some eggs, of course. Then whisk, whisk, whisk. Add some flour and turn on the blender, baby. Taste test. Vanilla extract, of course. And mix. Add it into the cupcake pan. And last but not least, put it inside the oven. All done. Icing time. Spread, spread, spread. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. And cupcake time. Cute picture test. Aren't I adorable?